Okay, so see here what is saying is that this is the make the first basic shape is like this. Okay, circle. So this is the basic shape. Okay, and here the nose, here is the eyes, here is the ear, the same proportion. These are the basic steps of the drawing. So we are doing the first basic step of this drawing, like here, here. See, understand now? Basic step is very easy. Just make like this, the straight line, and this is the line. These are basic steps. So using the circle, here is the nose, here is the eyes, the position of eyes, and here position of ear. But making first these things, and here making this. Find the basic positions. Okay, create the basic position. Now this is the basic position of drawing. Make it first, and then go ahead to the next course. It's very easy. I hope the basic position if you learn, then you can learn. Very easy. Finish now. Can I go ahead? Wow, how fast all of you are doing. Okay, fine. Now the C, the basic step one done. Then you can go ahead. Just one more thing and understand now is your drawing 90% is done. Just create this part. Okay, here. Like this. Okay, this is the line. This is the eyes. The side eyes looks like this. Okay, it is very close to this. Okay, like this. Perfect. Perfect way, Mannat and Aviruchi. We are going to the next little detail, but not. I just show that few details, and again you will start finishing. Then again I draw something, so I go the slowly, so you can understand this process. First, make the eye, nose, and ear part. Okay, this is ear part. Here this jaw, the line. First make that much. Okay, slowly. We are going to the next time. Yes, perfect. Okay, so now we can go to the next steps. Okay, this part. So next step is that here I can just join this line here. Okay, this is two line. So here this is see this line should be more strong. Can draw this or more increasing this part. If I make it this just line like this, so it is coming more increasing this, increase this part. Okay, so I just increase this and just little shading, no need to that details more, just little shading. And see here, make this. Okay, this simple line, this is the jaw line. The ear is, this part is a little darker. Okay, like this. Okay, this is a very nice pencils. I like it.